Hello everyone, it's Mr. Nunn again. I'm going to talk today about another feature with Ebscohost databases, and we're going to use a feature called subject terms. Okay, subject terms will be located here at the very top. I'm going to click on it, and we're going to go to a page, and we have three options. We can put a subject term in, but we can put a term in that connects to a subject, a term that connects to a place, or a term that is connects to people. Okay, so let's just stay with the idea of a subject, and I'll put climate change. Okay, and so we can also decide, do we want uh, these terms to pop up that begin with this, just contain it, or have relevancy. I'll go ahead and keep it where it says terms that contain. We'll hit browse. And as you see on the bottom, we see all of these subject terms. And so a subject term, what we're talking about is terms that someone has tagged to an article. And you can tag numerous subjects with an article based on what is that article talking about as far as various subjects. Okay, and so maybe I scroll down and I'm doing climate change, but there's maybe something I'm doing specific. Maybe I'm talking about laws. I would click there. Maybe it's with health. Um, I might do public opinion on climate change. You click the one that connects to what it is that you're really trying to research. So I'll just click on one. I'll do climate change, um, weather, and climate change. It doesn't matter. So I click here, and now I have these options of these subjects. Okay. Um, So I will go ahead and check the ones I want. Okay, and I can hit over here on the right, explode, which will add the terms below. Um, Click here, and when I do this, and I hit add, it will add all those that I checked. And at the top of that search box, you're going to see all these subject terms. Okay, um, I will go ahead and hit search, and then we'll just see what kind of results do we get. I have 94,000 results, which is quite a bit. A couple things I can do real fast to maybe limit those. Maybe I choose databases. I decide which databases do I really want to pull articles from. Okay, and so I would probably choose the ones that are going to deal with the science behind climate change, but it really just depends on what you're doing. And if you remember, if I hover over these little speech bubbles, I can then read about the database and what kind of information that database has. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click or hit cancel here. A few other things that we can do, if you remember, we can add limiters. So maybe we want full text, right? It's updating. We can see how many. I went all the way down to 28,000. That's a lot different. I can add another limiter, and maybe I want to be current. And now our hits will be 26,000, so not much different. And we can see again our source types. Subjects, remember these because they may help us with the subjects that we're really looking for that we may not be thinking about. And then I can start doing what we did in previous videos. We can start looking at the actual articles, read the abstracts, maybe find other subject headings to help us, and then send these articles to Google Drive, save them, and stay organized, and then keep on doing some more research. Okay, so that is how you use the subject term feature, and we will talk more about different Ebscohost options in future videos. Thanks.